So today I'm making a garlic and butter bean soup in the Ninja Soup Maker with some really simple ingredients. I really hope you enjoy it as much as I did. I'll put the full ingredients list in the description down below and of course over on the blog, but today's ingredients are 2 cans of butter beans, 8 cloves of garlic. Yes, it is a lot of garlic, but firstly, I don't think you can ever really have too much garlic. And secondly, once cooked and blended, the garlic flavour really wasn't overpowering, but you can of course reduce the garlic if you prefer. Then some dried mixed herbs and some vegetable stock. So there really isn't much preparation with this one. Start by draining the liquid from the butter beans and then add them directly to the soup maker jug. Then peel the garlic cloves and add them whole to the soup maker. Add a teaspoon of dried mixed herbs, the vegetable stock powder. You can just use a regular stock pot or cube and then add hot water in up to the maximum line of the soup maker if you prefer. Worked out to be about 800 millilitres of vegetable stock if you do want to make it up separately. Then put the lid on and set it off on the smooth setting. It runs for 30 minutes on the Ninja Soup Maker, slightly less for other soup makers. And while that's cooking away, let me remind you that this recipe is also on the blog at Liana's Kitchen, where you can print it out. And if you're interested in getting more soup maker recipes, I have a recipe book available on Amazon, as well as an ebook which is ready for instant download. Now back to the soup. So carefully lift the lid off and check the consistency. I really like the way this one has turned out. It's not too thick or too thin. Then serve the soup, or you can of course save it for later. And that's it, a really simple soup maker recipe. As I mentioned before, if you're looking for more recipes like this, details of my soup maker recipe books can be found in the description down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And please do let me know in the comments if you think you might make this one. I'd really like to know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.